Good afternoon, glampers. Here we are once again on the North Antrim coast at Kinbane Head. This time I am not on my own. As you can see, there's two Vango banshees, and if we nip into the old fisherman's cottage, there's Ben, who's just starting. Hi Ben. Who's just starting the fire for tonight's griddle. Ben is single, 35, a Sagittarius, and at the weekends he likes to dress up in ladies' clothes and call himself Arlene. Nicely done. So we're in the relative shelter of the old fisherman's cottage. Ben has dinner on the go. We are eating rather sensibly tonight. Rather healthily, should I say. So what do you look at this here? The griddle on the go. Oh yes, looking good. Oh. No stone left unturned, Ben. Good healthy option. I'm just panning out here and having a look around. Old manifestations of seabirds nesting around the rocks and the cliff face there. Don't want to go up and disturb them. Bit too blowy for the drone again, unfortunately. Otherwise we'd have had it up and get some spectacular views. So it looks like the drone is grounded for the immediate future. The only things flying are the gulls. Oh, I can smell that. Hey, that smells good. That smells rather lovely jubbly. Bushcrafting in the wilds. Relative wilds. Okay, well, it is wild enough out here. The only emergency services that are coming here is a helicopter or the Coast Guards. Yeah. Looking good, looking good. Oh, you can feel a nice heat off that fire. Oh, that lovely, lovely mixture of vegetables there. Preparing the steaks. Super duper. Nice cooks of red. Cheers, everybody. Good job. A nice sizzle with knackers on it. Absolutely yummy, yummy. Does one concur? Hard to whack, mate. And that is a decent bushcrafty meal.
Should have brought some chopsticks.
That's delicious. in through the bunny hole, round the big tree, in through the bunny hole and out the other side, in through the bunny hole. Good morning, everybody. Beautiful morning again on Kinbane Head. Couldn't want for better. I'll just pan you around here. We're a wee bit croaky on it this morning. We had a bit of a not say all-nighter, but we certainly pushed the boats out a little bit, shall we say. What a beautiful, beautiful morning. I'll just let you have a look. Oh, I think Ben's still in the land of Nod. I'm going to get the coffee on shortly. Also want to get breakfast on too, peckish. So I was home last night. Snug and warm, really too warm really. My knitting. Wind doesn't seem too bad. Actually might get the drone up in case the breeze picks up a bit. Take advantage of it. Let's go up and have a quick look at the castle. Excuse me. I don't actually come alive until I get my coffee. Excuse me. Oh, beautiful indeed. We have the griddle heating up now, ready for breakfast. Nice little log going on with it. And what is and what is this morning's breakfast, Ben?
Bacon, pancakes and eggs.
Bacon, pancake and eggs. Oh, old buckwood. Delicious. I don't know about you, I slept like a baby last night. And I was lulled to sleep. I'll probably be out of focus here, I wing it right. Oh, I don't know. Can you see me? Can you see me? Can you see me? Hi. I will probably... I was lulled... Fuck it, start again. There goes the bacon. Oh shit. You get jabbed? Don't know about you, I slept like a baby last night. I just lulled to sleep with the sound of the waves. Absolutely beautiful. Pan you out what we woke up to this morning. Oh my goodness, goodness. Okay. Oh, look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. And of course the sound you hear in the background is exploding bacon. Close the headlights, but that looks not good there. Yeah, that's got it on it. Hot light, hot light, hot light. Oh, listen to the thing there. Lovely. Lovely. Views out too. So get it in. There we go. There's Tor Head. Campbelltown, Scotland in the middle, and Rathlin Island just to the left of our viewing post. Well, that's another one over. And a most excellent one it was too. What sayest thou, Benjamin?
Yes, it was
Exceptionally good.
enjoyable, as always.
So, golden rule, leave no trace, just leave footprints and memories, and a few brain cells. So that's where we had our griddle cooking, our fire, all cleared up into rubbish bags and taken home. That scorch mark was there before we arrived, some fuckwit with a disposable barbecue, but no matter. So, we just now, where are you? There you are. We just now have to make the torturous trek back up to the top of the cliffs again. I'll try and run up. Might be a wee bit difficult with the sun out, but I'll try. Yeah. I don't think so. There's Ben precariously close to the edge of the cliff. There's an opening scene of an edition of Casualty. Oh, beautiful. Where would you get it? Almost a flat cam. A lot of wee fishing boats out now, just drifting on the very calm waters. Hope they catch a lot of fish today. Absolutely stunning up the coast here today. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Right, folks, until the next time, it's goodbye from me, and it's goodbye from Ben. So remember, look after yourselves, be good, catch you in the next one. I have to stop every now and again and give Ben a wee chance just to catch up. Tough enough going. No need to apologise. It's for his grinder profile.
Grinder.
Whoa. So leaving Kinbane Head and the castle behind us, I feel like Frodo climbing the steps to Mordor. So take a wee breather here before I continue on the second half of the ascent, which isn't as bad as the first half. Normally I run up it, but I'm slightly overweight this time with regard, well, overweight as in overweight myself and overweight as in overloaded in my rucksack. I'll actually wait for a minute or two, see if Ben is going to catch up anytime soon. I'll switch his off and I'll maybe wait for him to catch up on me. So, talk to us in the car park. So, Ben has eventually caught up.
Very good.
But to be fair now, he did have twice the weight, so twice the weight, twice the time. So, for me and Ben, oops, we'll bid you adieu until the next one. We have plans to go across that stretch of sea there to Rathlin, so stay tuned for that. At some stage, just try and figure out a few locations on Google Earth, etc, etc, and make sure we don't upset the local tribes people over there. They're very dueling banjos type thing. Only joking. People of Rathlin are amazing. Been there before. Absolutely amazing. Rathlin Island. You had to, didn't you? You just had to. It's just a bloke thing, isn't it? You just had to.
Too much protein.
Well, Ben, the new slim-looking Ben now. How many stone have you lost? 2 stone. Well done. I could do with losing a couple myself. Maybe get up those steps, the steps to Mordor. I feel like Frodo Baggins going up there, steps to Mordor.
Yeah.
I'd be up there twice as quick as you if I lost twice as much weight.
You would.
Right, so until the next one, look after yourselves, look after each other, be safe. Be sure to like and subscribe if it is your want, and talk to you again soon. Thanks very much. Bye bye.